Here we go, man. I told you it was coming. More unboxing fragrances. I swear I'm gonna switch up my content really quickly. I'm gonna do the top 10s. I'm gonna put you guys with the best of the best. But for right now, I'm buying so many new colognes because, bro, this deal was too good to pass on. You guys know you should never pay retail, but bro, for this one, it was worth it because one of my friends, she works at Sephora and they got like a 35% discount for everything. And so I picked up some pretty good designer fragrances that I can't wait to review. So without further ado, man, let's start unboxing once again. Which one do we start with? Let's start with this one. Let's see which one it is. Okay, it is the Valentino, the brand new Valentino Extra Dose. I've been wanting to pick this one up so badly, man, but it's overpriced, I'll be honest. $143 on discount. There's $180 full retail for the full bottle. When I applied the discount, it came down to like $120, so lucky me, I couldn't let this offer pass. Man, let's see if it's really worth the hype. I've smelled it before, but obviously never gotten the chance to fully wear it, so let's see what the hype's all about, man. Let's see what the hype is all about. Here is the bottle. Looks like all the other Valentinos, but this one's just a little bit more black. It's a little bit darker. I have run out of my Born in Roma Coral Fantasy. My Eau de Toilette is still kicking strong. I haven't bought the intense one, so this is my third Valentino. Hopefully I pick up green Extravaganza soon, but let's see if it's actually worth the hype. What else can I say other than it smells like a basic compliment getting cologne, man? It smells good. It smells like what a cologne should smell like, you know, like that classic Valentino DNA that just smells youthful but attractive at the same time. Attracted to you, that's a little bit weird, man, but you get the point. It's that classic DNA that gets you compliments that you can wear anywhere, but this one like shines for those like school settings, high school, college, those party settings too. Like, even though it could work professionally, I wouldn't imagine myself wearing this to like an office or like an interview. I feel like this one's a little bit more playful and you just want to smell good around society, you know, you just want to smell good around people. It still has a little bit of that bubblegum sweetness from the Born in Roma Intense, but I smell a little bit more woods, and I think I pick up a little bit of orange blossom. It has a little bit of resemblance to the YSL Myself DNA, which you guys know is like so popular. I don't know how it became so popular in the few years that it's been released. If you ask a random person, most likely their favorite cologne, YSL Myself. You know, I don't know how that happened, but I do get a resemblance, man. It just smells really attractive. I can't wait to pull this one out. I don't know if it's more of a winter fragrance or a summer fragrance. For me, it feels like an all year round. This is one that is perfect to make your signature scent, you know, like the one that people smell and they right away remember you, reminds them of you. This is one of those that it can be the only cologne in your collection and you'll be good to go. Solid release of 2025. I'm glad I picked it up. A little bit late to the party, but here is the review anyway. I recommend it to you guys. Better than Coral Fantasy. I think it's better than Green Extravaganza. Is it better than Born in Roma Intense? Probably a little bit. Is it better than the Eau de Toilette? I don't know, man. That one's a little bit hard. Better than Valentino Ivory? For sure. I'll give it that, man. This is probably like top 3 Valentino at least. So I'm gonna give this like an 8 out of 10 successful purchase. I can see myself wearing this one a lot. The next one that I got is, this one is Hugo Boss Bottled Beyond. So the only Boss Bottles that I got is the green one, which is bold citrus, and the elixir. So I'm excited to try this one. This is the newest one. I was gonna buy it in Macy's like a while ago, but I'm glad I waited because with the discount, I picked this one up for around, I think, $100. So not a bad deal for being a new release and paying retail price. Because I'm not gonna lie, man, when I gotta make videos on it, I don't wanna wait until it releases on discounters. I gotta pick it up fast. Let's see, bro. There's so many new colognes releasing right now that honestly, I didn't even know this one was pretty new. Here it is, Hugo Boss Bottled Beyond. It feels weird owning finally like a normal size bottle of Boss Bottled. It feels so weird because look at these, bro. Look at this one. I got a mini one, a 1.7, and then I got a huge one, a 6.7 or 6.3 ounce, whatever it is. So we got the whole collection right here, but let's just put these to the side and let's see what this new Hugo Boss smells like. Apparently it's really good. I've seen people like Noel Dessel hype it up, so I'm excited to try it. Let's check it out. I don't know how I'm feeling. I don't know how I'm feeling. It smells pretty good, pretty fresh, but a little bit dark, man, a little bit masculine. I can see why Noel said it smells a little bit like leather, but it has like this fresh take on it. Like the citruses are right there in the opening, but I can see it drying down into something a little bit darker. You know, I smell a little bit of animalic notes, which I don't know if I'm a fan of, but like I said, it's a little bit fresher, so I can see me pulling it out. I can see me pulling it off is what I mean. Definitely a little bit for like fall, spring. I don't see myself wearing this one for like the summer or like the winter. A little bit of ginger, some woody notes. It smells decent, man. It's like a masculine fresh is the best way to describe it. Definitely a little bit different from their other fragrances. It's kind of in the middle, you know, kind of in the middle of like this one, which is just bold citruses, and this one, which is like a dark woody cologne. So a little bit in the middle. I like it so far. Is it the most exciting cologne? I don't think so, man. I'll be honest, like I don't know if I can recommend this full price, which is around $140 for a normal size bottle. I'd rather wait, you know, I'd rather wait or sample it, but I don't think this is a safe blind buy, man. I think it's a risky one. I think Hugo Boss, usually they're pretty safe, you know, they got like mass appealing colognes. This one's a little bit more for refined taste, a little bit more for mature taste, but it's one of the more easy to wear mature ones, if you know what I mean. It's like a balance. I'm not gonna lie, it smells a little bit like bathroom cleaner. I don't know if that makes sense, man. Like I would go to this laundromat and they would always clean the bathroom with this like lemony smell, so it kind of reminds me of that one. I don't know how I feel about it. It's pleasant to the nose, but am I gonna wear it a lot? I don't think so. Probably not, man. Probably not. So 50-50 on this one. I think I like the Valentino a lot more. Hugo Boss Bottled Beyond, I'm gonna give it like a 6.5 out of 10. Let's go to the last and final one, which is Invictus Absolute. This is my second Invictus Paco Rabanne bottle, or just Rabanne. I think they got rid of Paco, man. It's just now Rabanne. But let's unbox one of the newest Invictus in the Paco Rabanne brand. This one also a 2025 release, man. I'm getting all the new releases from 2025. I swear I gotta rank them like from worst to best at the end of the year, man. That's gonna be a fire video. Oh, it's a cool bottle, man. It's a cool bottle. It's the classic Invictus bottles, but this one has like some black lines in this. They added some like texture. It is all black, so that's pretty cool. It looks pretty nice, man, but let's see if it smells pretty nice. Really strong, man. That went up my nose. It is vanilla right away. Vanilla, that is the one note, man. You already know vanilla. Some woods, patchouli in there. Sandalwood, man, it's pretty nice. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty nice. I was ready to hate on it. I think I smelled it before in a little sample, and I got like a bunch of vanilla, so I was not too excited. But low key, it smells better than the elixir, than the blue one, the elixir, because that one, I was hyping it up like a lot, and then on my birthday, like this time around last year, I sprayed it, and I got sick of the vanilla, man. Low key gave me a headache, and because it was just boring, plain, linear vanilla, so I kind of got tired of it. But this one adds some character in there. I'm liking it so far, man. Yeah, this is a solid new release, man. Some character in there for sure. A little bit smoky. The ambers are just so good, man. This is gonna be a solid one for winter. We're already in fall, man. For winter, this is gonna be a solid one. I think this one's gonna take it. I'll be honest. I think this one's gonna take it. Hopefully it's not the same as the other one where I hype it up a lot in the beginning and then I just get tired of it, or I just like realize it's not that good. But for right now, I'm gonna give this one like I think it's gonna be tied with Valentino, like an 8 out of 10. I see a lot of potential, man. I see a lot of potential in this one, especially for the winter. I feel like it's just an improvement to the other Invictuses, like the winter ones, where it's all vanilla, and this one just makes it more woody, more masculine. It's just a little bit more interesting, you know, a little bit more interesting. So I like it, man. Invictus Victory Absolute, an 8 out of 10, a pretty good new release. So yeah, man, some more designers added to my collection. I'm building a nice collection, man. I'm collecting them all. So best one from this video, I'm gonna give it to my Invictus Absolute. Second best, I'm gonna give it to my Valentino Born in Roma Extra Dose. And my third best, or the worst from the video, whatever you want to call it, it's not bad at all, but it's gonna be Hugo Boss Bottled beyond. So let me know what type of videos you want to see, man, because I've definitely been doing too many unboxing videos. I know they might be a little bit repetitive, but man, they're so fun because I mean, I'm literally unboxing fragrances. It feels like Christmas to me, so I love making them. But let me know any video ideas that you want me to make. You can sample my new fragrances on my sampling store, smellbettersamples.com. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching. Just smell better.